I want to invite you to join my next launch on August 11th at 11 a.m. Eastern. Now look, I know that the market is rife with all kinds of AI agent products. People are getting tired of seeing the same product recommendation in their email inbox every single week. So this is different. With WP Sync, your subscribers can replace the Zapier bill for good, saving them hundreds of dollars a month. Plus, they can also generate more revenue and sales for every lead that they're getting. WP Sync has 147 app connections, unlimited automations, zero task limits, and this is not a cheaper subscription. This is not a discount for the first year. The monthly automation bill that your list has been quietly paying for years is going to go away. Now, let me tell you what makes this different from every other automation tool your audience has ever seen or tried in the past. Every other option in this space is a rental. Zapier, Make, Pabbly, they're all billed by the task every single month, forever. And here is the part that actually stinks. The better your subscriber does, the more they get charged. This is what I call the success tax. WP Sync flips the entire model. One payment gives unlimited automations. No meter that anyone can turn against them. Whether they sync 50 contacts a month or 100,000 across all 147 apps, the price never changes, not a cent. And because it runs on their own WordPress site, their data never touches a third party's cloud. Every lead, every buyer, every custom field moves directly from app to app on infrastructure they already own. This is a level of privacy and control no rented cloud tool can offer, and your audience will get it the second they see it. Here's what WP Sync actually does. Let's say someone fills out a form, registers for a webinar, or comes through a Facebook or Instagram lead ad, buys through their checkout. WP Sync automatically catches that person and moves them exactly where they need to go within 5 minutes. Tagged and sorted, all done automatically. Data can be gathered from their email list, the Google Sheet, and their Slack all at once with no extra task cost. This handles delays in scheduling. It even routes refunds, chargebacks, and cancellations to their own list for win-back and dunning sequences. And every new connection we ever add is included for free forever. So the product they buy this week only gets bigger and better over time. Now, here's who this is built for, and the answer is basically everyone on your list. Every marketer paying a monthly automation bill wants it gone. Agency owners who want their lead flow on autopilot will need it. Affiliate marketers who finally want to capture every buyer and follow up to make more sales will want it. Course sellers, e-commerce operators, list builders, beginners who are not technical, if they can copy and paste an API key, they can automate this entire business before their coffee even goes cold. And for all of them, the pitch is the same. Stop renting your automation, own it. Kill the Zapier bill. That angle converts across every single segment of your list. And this is a clean, one-time priced offer. No fake scarcity, no SaaS guilt trip. It's also recurring pain everyone already pays for and replaces it with something they own. Which means for you, low refunds, happy buyers, and a recommendation that your list will actually thank you for. Now, let me talk about what's in it for you. You earn 50% commission on every single product in the funnel. Front end is $47 for the core or $147 for the full 147 connection bundle. From there, you've got a reseller bump offer, a developer license, and a full WP conversion tracker funnel stacked on top with its own upgrades. One approved link can earn on all of it. A buyer who goes all the way through the funnel puts up to around $824 in your pocket from a single customer. And we've got a price pool split across 2 phases, and everyone starts from zero again in phase 2. So phase 1 runs from August 11th through till August 13th, and that is the biggest pot, $3,000, with $2,000 for the first place. Phase 2 is the closing push, August 14th and 15th, with another $1,700 up for grabs with a brand new leaderboard. So whether you mail hard at the open or push at the close, there's money to be made on both ends. And one affiliate, of course, can absolutely win both. Everything is already ready. We've got the access ready, the sales page, the videos. So just reach out and make sure to check this out, grab all your details, and promote the pre-launch webinar on August 11th at 10 a.m. Eastern. We've got a bunch of slides, multiple angles, so you just pick the one that works for you and start mailing. By the way, when we tested this funnel internally with another affiliate, they had $10 EPCs. The funnel is built by Tahir, who's a marketing genius, and he's been doing this since 2007. He's got thousands of verified customer reviews, and he's built WP Sync to solve his own problems, and now he's making it commercially available for everyone. So make sure you promote this incredible launch on August 11th at 11 a.m. Eastern with a pre-launch webinar on 10 a.m. Eastern on the same day.
Hi guys, Kevin Faddy here, and this is the first official demo video of WP Sync. This is a new WordPress plugin, which I have designed to basically cut out monthly fees and move my subscribers around, add them to Zoom, add them to my sheets and everything like that. So basically, I want to be fully transparent with you. I've been using this plugin for around 3 months. I first designed it for my use only, basically in order to close my Zapier account for the simple things that I use it for. I could not justify the payment. So once I emailed my list and I got a few people on board that basically said, Kevin, can you add this autoresponder? Can you add this connection? Can we make it work with wish list? Can we make it work with easy digital downloads, WooCommerce, etc., etc.? So basically, over the past few weeks, we have been massively improving this, and we have been adding dozens and dozens of connections, where we plan to add basically hundreds of connections to this over time. So right now, I'm just going to show you a demo of how quickly it works, how simple it is, and just why I created it. So let's just give a quick example here. I'll just do WP Bonus Builder, for example, Bonus Builder AI. And I would like to move you've got active campaign. These are all the ones that I've connected. So they'll automatically show up here. So for example, Bonus Builder AI, I would like to move them to another list. Let's say I would like to add them to active campaign. And here I can go Bonus Builder AI. From there, I would like to add them to my Google Sheets so we can record everything there as well. And from there, let's say I would like to add them to an upcoming Zoom webinar. And we can also delay that. So I'll wait for basically 5 days for that, or that webinar is on June 19th. So I can actually wait until June for anything I want. So I will actually go back 1 week so the notifications start going out. And from there, we can do anything we want, but that's it for now. From here, I click on Create Bridge, and it is just working straight away. We can test anything straight away. You can come along here and see a test. It will pass. You can see the past history of everything. Right, I just want to say something that's really, really cool here. One of the reasons I found Zapier so annoying is when I did use it, I was paying between $147 a month or $49 per month, $47, whatever it was. And I was always having to enable and disable my Zaps because you're limited to a number amount. And you're also worried about you're going to go over your data, your quota. With this, I can create hundreds and hundreds of different bridges for absolutely every part of my business. I can automate everything. I can edit anything at any one time. I can delete it. And I know I have absolutely no restrictions. There is all of the add-ons here basically collect with one click. You can add them very, very easily. You have a full activity log here of all your subscribers and every single bridge. You can click on details, you can see exactly what happened. You can search, you can see the status, success partial. Absolutely nothing is failing. You've got a full training database here and diagnostics settings. Absolutely everything, guys. You can change the color of the theme any way you want. It's got a lot of cool features. But the overall goal of this is obviously to save you guys money and give you complete control over your automations. I'm just going to show you another little example here. We have added our wish list member to this site. So basically, if you have a WordPress plugin installed, it's going to pick up all the data for you. You can see in this case here, I have over 120 different lists inside here. But for this example, let's say the one thing I would like to use this for is to know about who cancelled results with Kevin, or who joins, or who renews their payment. So you can come in here, you can see recurrent payments, cancelled, reactivated, approved, unapproved, absolutely everything. If you come back here and you come along and you choose, for example, Warrior Plus or JVZoo, you can see all of the lists here. You can do refunds, chargebacks, cancellations, and failed payments. And it's the exact same for JVZoo again. You've got all your products are going to be pulled in. You can see create Zaps or create syncs for absolutely every single thing when it comes to your affiliate marketing. The same for ClickBank once it's connected. So guys, this is WP Sync. It is an absolutely outstanding WordPress plugin that basically you will be using every single day in your business. It just runs on complete autopilot in the background where you can automate everything. So while it's 50% off, guys, currently, I highly suggest click the link below check it out and just start setting up your automations and watch your business grow.